beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading back to back at the moment. Yesterday's video we did a full unboxing of the W7 £15 advent calendar from Tesco, so I will leave that linked down below if you want to go check it out. And then the few days before that we did a unboxing of the Revolution and Corpse Bride collection, and also 2 days of reviews of the different palettes in the collection and lipsticks too. But today is a super exciting one. This is going to be a review of the brand new, well, a couple of weeks old now, but the brand new Bperfect Carnival, the Antidote palette. So if you don't know anything about the Carnival collection, like, I'd be very confused if somebody didn't. But this is in collaboration with Stacey, a makeup artist here in the UK. This retails for £39.95. It's actually my first time open it. I've literally just took the wrapper off it, but this is what it looks like. And today we're going to be doing swatches and trying this out on my eyes, and I'm gonna have to go for a green look. Like, I literally opened this up and I was like, green, come to me. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it is absolutely stunning. It's huge as well. There's 29 high pigmented matte shades and the 16 Luxe creamy shimmers. By the way, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the new Halloween collection from Revolution. So using the Fairy Flawless palette, the black lipstick, the crazy Halloween lashes as well. So that'll be coming tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, let's get into swatches and let's get this on my eyeballs. I'll show you it a little bit close. I thought I was going to put my nail in it then. And then this is just what it looks like. Hopefully it's not washing it out too much. I'm still in the process of like setting up my camera because I feel like it's not 100% when it comes to palettes, but hey ho, let's get into it. Let's do swatches and get it on my eyeballs. So these are the first 3 columns of the palette. I'm not going to go through names because there's just too many and this video is going to be up really late, but that's the first 3. And then this is the middle 3 columns. Oh my god, the shimmers in this, unbelievable. And then we have the last 3 columns, and I must admit these ones are definitely the sexiest ones, like the shimmers. Oh. So I'm taking my P. Louise base. We only used up the other one. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I've been using that mini one up for ages. This is my new bad boy. So this is in the shade Rumour number 2. This is so big compared to the other one that I was using. And I'm just going to be using my Peaches and Cream PC18 brush that I have just cleaned. So I'm going to take this Morphe brush. This is the E62, and I'm going to take the shade Mystic. I'm laughing because I've just filmed this clip and I accidentally farted. Mystic, which is this dark. But yeah, I'm going to take this dark green. My brain like it replayed it in my head when I was like re-filming it. I don't know if the microphone would have picked it up, but I was not risking it for a chocolate biscuit. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this in the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going to build it up to how I want it. I'm going to put it in the crease because I want it to be quite intense in that outer corner as well. I think I might go for a little bit of like a rounded, not fully rounded, but more of a rounded kind of eye, I think. Wow, that is very nicely pigmented. Okay. What I will say is, I don't know if it actually is meant to be a super dark green. I thought it was because it is, but it doesn't look green on that. But I'm honestly not bothered. I just wanted something that would give me a lot of depth. So, and then I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade here. This one is the shade Clover, which is a kind of lighter, bit more brighter green. And I'm going to use this in this outer bit here to blend this black or green or whatever colour it is to kind of blend that there. I'm actually going to take that darker colour with that same brush and I'm going to bring it in my crease here a little bit too, just to add a little bit of depth there. But I will go in with quite a lot of like a shimmer, but just so that it's got like a little bit of depth underneath it. And then I'm just going to go in with that same brush that we used for the green shade and go in with that as well, and just use that again just to blend out that darker shade. I was going to go in with a lighter green to blend that out, but I think I'm going to try this, which is Buttercup, which makes total sense because it's generally the colour of a buttercup. And then I'm going to use this. I don't know what this is going to actually look like. I don't know if this is going to blend. Maybe I should have gone in with the green. I don't know. The lighter green. Let's just risk it for a chocolate biscuit. Okay, so I'm just going to use that to blend out. I love how me and Alex are both filming videos at the same time, but we still can't help ourselves but message each other. I think I'm addicted to that girl, I honestly do. And I'll go back in with the green and that darker shade to kind of blend it all, get it how I want it to be, and then we'll come back and we'll do a shim. Okay, so now that it's looking a little something like this, I think I'm happy with it. In regards to the actual look, not the quality of the eyeshadow is really nice. So I've noticed with this palette there's a lot more shimmers than what we've had in the previous kind of Carnival palettes. So I think I'm gonna go for this one here, which is Nectar. I don't want to go for Venom. I'm gonna go for Venom because it's more of a greeny gold. Venom. I love that film. Oh wow. Oh, wow, okay, this is going to be intense, I can already tell. Okay, I'm done. Wow. Oh my god, okay. It did say on the back, didn't it, like a Luxe, what did it say? Luxe. What did you say? Luxe Creamy Shimmers. Okay. Oh my god, that is actually gorgeous. I'm going to go in with the one that had the darker colour on it. I'm going to take a little bit more of it and start to blend in the shimmer with that darker colour. And I think for the inner corner, because I have clean brushes, what should I go for? I think I'm going to go for this brush. This is a detailer brush from Real Techniques. And I'm going to go in with the shade Shimmer, which is this goldy peachier colour here. I don't want to go in with this one. No, I don't want to go with that one. No. And now, let's go in with Shimmer. Simmer down, Lucy. And then I'm going to put this, oh yes, in that inner corner. I am sorry that tonight's video is going up so late. I've literally just filmed tomorrow's video as well because I'm going back into the offices on Wednesdays now and I'm doing a late, so I'll be in the office like 12 till 8. So normally I would like edit my videos on my lunch break and stuff, and obviously can't do that now because I'm going to be in the office without my laptop and stuff, so only with my work laptop, so I can't do that anymore. So I've just filmed tomorrow's video already and then I can just literally edit that in the morning before I go to work and get it all sorted there and then. So that is what that's looking like. I'm going to put some of that actually underneath my brow bone too. And I'm going to use the exact same brushes and put the colours underneath my lash line as well. So this is the finished look. I would love to know what you think down below. I absolutely love this palette. I'm so glad that I picked it up because this is something that I'd probably reach for more often in regards to like special occasion, nights out, kind of every day, but you know what I mean, kind of wear. I would reach for this obviously more than the colourful palettes, even though the colourful palettes are beautiful. This, I'm feeling this. If you're wondering what my lip combination is, because I'll probably wonder it myself in a few days' time and I'll forgot. I've got the Killing It lip liner on from Doll Beauty. Oh, it's actually a full Doll Beauty lip. And I've also got the Doll Beauty lipstick in FOMO on, which is now got a lot of lip liner on it. And then I've also got some of the gloss in #InstaFamous as well. But yeah, this is the finished. To move closer to the camera then, I had to lift my boob and put it on the table. My boob is literally resting on the table for me to get this close to the camera. Anyways, so yeah, this is the finished look. What do you think? In regards to the palette, I'd highly recommend it. I think it's absolutely stunning. It is kind of, not priced, well, it kind of is pricey. I think £40 for a palette is pricey regardless. However, I know the love that she'll have put into this and the formula, I mean, that shimmer, unbelievable. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below. Hopefully I will see you tomorrow for a review of the Halloween collection. And then the day after, I think it's going to be something secret that you don't know about yet, but I think it should be out by then for me to put my review up. But anyways, I'll hopefully will see you tomorrow for that video regardless. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you then. Love you. Bye. Oh, and thank you so much to my patrons. I've updated my Patreon end screen now. So yeah, thank you so much for my patrons. If you want to be part of my exclusive community where we have like a group chat, we talk all day long. It's absolutely amazing. We also do exclusive giveaways and have an exclusive Instagram. I also do exclusive kind of like freebies in there as well. But yeah, if you want to join, all the links are down below. It starts as little as £1 a month. You can cancel it whenever you want. But yeah, hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Bye.